In your 40s, hindi ka na malakas kumain pero lumalaki pa rin ang iyong tiyan. This might be because of our hormonal imbalance na na-experience natin kung tayo ay papunta na ng perimenopausal. Hormonal imbalance can lead to mood swings, disruptions sa sleep, cravings, no? Nag-iiba na yung ating skin. So ano yung mga top 3 na hormonal balancing food na pwede kong ma-recommend sa inyo na nag-work din sa akin? I'm 46 years old, na-cesarean ako ng 2 beses, I have hypothyroidism, pero I'm still a size small in my ideal weight, ideal shape. Number 1, add healthy fats to your diet. This supports estrogen balance and reduces inflammation. Ang benefit nito, nakakaliit siya ng tiyan, lalo na yung belly fat natin, ma-address niya. And of course, you will feel full longer. So anong mga good sources nito? Healthy fats from avocado, nuts, olive oil, and ako personally, I supplement with our Herbalife line omega-3 because it has EPA, DHA, so for brain health and joint health na rin. Tapos, it keeps my tummy flat. Number 2, eat high fiber na fruits and vegetables because it helps with detox, nakaka-flush out ng excess estrogen. So, nakaka-reduce ito ng hormonal bloating. So, liliit din yung ating tiyan. And number 3, prioritize protein in all of your meals. Kada meal dapat merong protein. Ano ba ang protein? Fish, chicken, pork, beef, egg. Ako, protein shakes, of course. Taho, beans, soy, nuts. Kasi nakaka-stabilize ito ng sugar level natin. It will make you feel full longer. It helps you build muscle. So, muscle burns fat, muscle boosts metabolism na kailangan natin dahil nag-slow down na tayo sa metabolism natin when we are aging. And of course, nakaka-prevent siya from overeating. Are you looking for a wellness coach na hindi lang tutulungan kang magpaliit ng tiyan, kundi tuturuan ka how to do it the right way? DM me for free consultation.